my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a part 2 of what stuff I found in my house that I'm in a class as fidgets. If you haven't seen part 1, go see that one, and this is part 2. The first thing I found was this squishy ball, like a fidget ball. It's pink and purple, and it's really squishy. And on this side, when you squish it, you can see these little sparkly things, like, I don't know what they are. And on this side, it feels like, it looks like a brain. I don't know why, but it looks like that. And on the purple side, it's super smooth. It has on it. And it feels really, really nice. And I do really, really like it. And you can squish it very much. And I really like it. The next fidget thing I found was this a little octopus thing. It feels super like weird, and that you can stretch these little things here, and when you go like this, he kind of lights up. There he goes, and it feels really, really nice. And it yeah, and it has little eyes, but there's a red one as well, but it's over there, and I just thought I would just bring this one in. And it's really nice. It feels weird. It's textured. It has like little holes up here so you can like scratch at them. And he looks like he's angry, squishy, and you can pull these things and feel them. And I don't really know if I would class it as a fidget toy, but you can fidget with it. So yeah. The next thing I found was the water chime, and I know these are classed as a fidget, but I don't really know if they should be classed as a fidget, because you can't really fidget with them. But yeah, I found this one, and when you go like this, it looks super, super cool. And it's pink and blue, and it looks really cool. On this side is my favorite because you can see the blue and the pink mostly, unlike this side. But I do really, really like it, and it looks really, really nice. Yeah. Done? Last but not least, last but not least, I found these two squishy shark things. These are my brothers, and there's this shark, and it feels weird, and there's this whale thing that I like him better because he has more like squishy stuff in him, and it sounds really nice. Listen. And here's this one, but I feel like I like this one better because I don't know why I like him better. It just feels much better, and I think I like whales better than sharks. But I wouldn't really class these as a fidget. Because, yeah, I just don't really think they're a fidget, but they do feel like a fidget. So I guess maybe they are a fidget, but yeah. Okay, that's all for today. If you like today's video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Bye.